Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're showcasing the best Halloween throw pillows to instantly elevate your festive decor. The 4th Emotion Halloween Ghost Decorative Pillow Covers. These pillow covers are the perfect way to add a cozy, spooky touch to your home this fall season. Right out of the box, you'll notice the soft plush texture and luxurious faux fur material, crafted from 100% polyester. This ensures a skin-friendly feel that's both fade-resistant and abrasion-resistant, making these covers durable and long-lasting. The beige color and farmhouse-style embroidery give these pillows a modern yet charming autumn vibe that fits perfectly into any living room, bedroom, porch, or even your office. Each set comes with 2 pillow covers designed to fit an 18 by 18-inch pillow insert. One great thing about these covers is their snug fit. They are intentionally made slightly smaller than the insert to keep the pillow looking full and plump. You don't have to worry about stuffing because they come with a hidden zipper closure that is color coordinated for an elegant finish, making it super easy to insert or remove your pillow fillers. The embroidery on the front features classic Halloween ghost motifs, while the back is kept plain, offering a subtle yet festive statement without overwhelming your space. These pillow covers are versatile and perfect for switching up your decor quickly and affordably, especially if you love celebrating the Halloween season with style. When it comes to maintenance, these covers are machine washable in cold water on a gentle cycle, making cleanup simple and hassle-free. Just remember not to bleach them to keep the faux fur looking its best season after season. After washing, let them breathe for about 24 hours. The plush texture will fluff up beautifully, adding even more comfort and style to your space. Whether you're decorating your home for a Halloween party, or just want to bring a little festive spirit into your everyday living area, these pillow covers provide an effortless way to do just that. Their neutral beige tone means they will blend nicely with a variety of other fall decorations and furniture styles, making them a great staple piece for your holiday decor collection. Overall, the 4th Emotion Halloween Ghost Decorative Pillow Covers offer a wonderful combination of quality, comfort, and seasonal charm. They're easy to style, practical to maintain, and bring a warm, welcoming vibe to your Halloween celebrations. If you want to refresh your space with some spooky softness, these are definitely a top pick. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product insights and recommendations. Have a spooky and stylish Halloween.